Welcome back to This Kitten Gamer. So in today's video, I'm going to be personalizing my charging cable like this with these. I got them kind of a long time ago, so I don't really remember where I got them, but they have white, pink, like a magenta, purple, black, and dark blue. So I'm gonna be personalizing my cord with these. Okay, after getting it open, I think I'm going to do this purplish with pink. And my cord might be too short. It'll be fine. I'm actually not entirely sure how to do this, but I'm just gonna try and I'm just gonna try. Okay, I don't know how to do it. How do I do this? How do I do this? Will it stay? You're supposed to cut it off. Okay. Okay, actually, I'm only going to do purple. I feel like doing both will be complicated, so let's only do purple, which, here we go. Okay, so it says wrap around, but it does not look like that. If I wrap it around, this is what it looks like. And I wrap it around. How does this work? This is what it looks like when I wrap it around. Not this. If you comment down below if you know how to do it. And if anyone comments, then I will do a part 2. So yeah, bye guys. I'll see you later.